So, after my previous video, I read your suggestions and decided to print two new containers. The first one has only one layer and 10% infill. The second one is made from just a single thin layer of filament. Unfortunately, the first print didn't come out perfectly, but it's good enough. After pouring in boiling water, we can see some slight deformation, but nothing too dramatic. Here's its temperature. The second container, however, started leaking almost immediately after I poured in the boiling water. It became extremely soft and flexible. And if you look closely at the bottom, you can even see the texture of the towel it was sitting on.